Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to create a LinkedIn ads campaign. Begin by accessing your LinkedIn account on your device. Ensure that you are logged in to access all the features needed for creating ad campaign. Once logged in, navigate to the For Business section. This is where you will find tools and options specifically designed for business purposes. Within the For Business section, locate and click on Acquire Customers and Grow Your Business. This section is tailored to help businesses reach their marketing goals, including running ad campaigns. Now you will be prompted to create ad. Clicking on this option will initiate setting up your ads campaign. The first step is setting up your campaign is to establish your campaign manager account. Begin by providing an appropriate account name that will help you identify this campaign among others. Next, you will need to associate a LinkedIn page with your campaign. You can choose an existing page or create a new one by clicking on Add New. Select the type of page you want to associate, such as company. Fill in the details for your organization. This information helps LinkedIn tailor your ads to the right audience. Provide additional details about your organization, such as website, industry, and everything else. This helps LinkedIn understand your businesses better and optimize your ads accordingly. Enhance your campaign by uploading your company logo directly from your device. A visually appealing logo helps increase brand recognition and engagement. Craft a compelling company tagline that effectively communicates your brand's message and value proposition. Ensure the accuracy of your information by checking the box for verification. This step confirms that your organization is legitimate and enhances trust among LinkedIn users. Once details are all filled in, click on Create Page to finalize the setup of your campaign manager account. With your account created, click on Let Us Get Started to proceed to the next steps in setting up your ads campaign. For added security, consider setting up two-step verification for your account. This extra layer of protection helps safeguard your account against unauthorized access. Click on Update Settings and then Set Up for 2FA. Follow the prompts to enter the 6-digit verification code sent to your email and click on Submit to complete the process. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.